Ladies and gentlemen, this is Mr. Reed here at John F. Kennedy Middle School. I'm your child's math teacher. We're going to go over a couple quick things that are the most frequently asked questions. First of all, thank you for giving us the time and day to come into your home and teach your students. It's a wonderful opportunity that I take delight in doing. Let's answer our first question. Where do we find the information that tells us what assignment is going to be completed? Well, every student, every day, must come to here, BPS Focus, and sign in. You must go to Focus. Click right here. What comes up is this. Now, do not go to the grades, but come somewhere around here where it says calendar, and it's going to say news. And this is where you're going to see the assignment your child will have for the whole entire week. Remember, do not go to the grades. But now you can also see their grades posted here every Monday. But for this week, you can also see the agenda, the assignments they must complete for this week. They have 2 assignments that is due by Sunday night. I will upload grades to Focus, the same spot here, by Monday morning at 9 a.m. So now, next question most people ask, Mr. Reed, where do we find the assignment? Yes, we're going to be using the IXL math book, the math program for IXL math. So if you go back to your BPS, here's how it looks. You click on that. So simply click. And when you click, it's going to bring you here. You see where it says username and password. Now, please make sure you put your username and a password in. If you do not have your username or your password, you can simply email me at reed.derrick, that's D as in David, ERRICK, at brevardschools.org. Or you can simply text or call me at area code 321-428-0009. Again, that number is area code 321-428-0009. So please make sure you have all the good login information. Now, once you log in, it's going to look like this. So you're going to come to a screen like this. Please make sure that you come to where it says Learning At. Do you see the tabs we have? Learning, Diagnostics, and Analytics. So the first thing we're going to come to is where it says Learning At. On Learning, we're going to come down to where it says Skill Plan At. We're going to click on here. Once we click on Skill Plan, we're going to scroll down until we find our math book. Here's our math book, the Go Math book. Whether you're in 7th grade advanced or whether you're in my Math 2 classes, we're going to all use the same math book. The only difference is the section that we're doing. So we're going to click on 7th grade. Once we click on 7th grade, if you're in my first period, second period, third period, fourth period, fifth period classes, you're going to do section 6. So we're going to click on here. Remember, first, second, third, fourth, or fifth, you're going to be working on chapter 6. Click. Now, you notice we click on chapter 6. We're going to, for this week, our first assignment is section 6.1, algebraic expressions. Number 3. You see how we got 6.1? And 6.1 has 3 sections in it. We're going to be doing section 3. Click. All right, parents, this is very important here. Over here, this tells me how many questions your child answered. Over here, it tells you how long they worked on this section. And over here, it tells you their score. Now, what we want to have happen is they must master this section. So in order to master this section, the score must be 100%. Now, as they work, it's going to tell you their percentage as they're close to 100%. So they're going to work until they get up to 100%. Now, how can you get to 100%? Basically, it goes about, if you get 18 to 20 problems correct in a row, you'll be up to 100%. Well, what happens if you miss a problem? Then you probably have to do like 22 to 23 problems. If you miss 2 problems, you probably have to do 23 to 25 problems, and so on and so on and so on. Okay, so let's start with this one. What if you didn't know how to do this problem right here? It says simplify the expression. Well, guess what it does? It offers you help. You simply click on it. Guess what it did? It gave us an example of how to do it. Step by step example of how to do it. And parents and students, guess what it did? It showed the work. Now, so let's go back. So that is there. So how about if you said, well, Mr. Reed, I'm in Math 2 Advanced. I'm in a 7th period class. Well, okay, great. Guess what you're going to do? You're going to go over here and click on Chapter 8. And you're going to be working in Chapter 8 this week. Your first lesson is in Section 8.1, Similar Shapes and Scale Drawings. And you notice that they only have one section for this section. Well, we're going to click in here. Now again, this tells you how many questions you answered. This tells you the time you've taken on this homework. This tells you what your percentage is. In other words, how many questions are you getting correct versus how many questions you try to attempt to answer. Parents that simply says, are they Christmas treeing? Now let's go here. It's asking us to find this answer. Well, remember how we have notes and detailed notes on how to do this? We sure do. Look in your math notebook and we have detailed notes. This is simply a review. But if you forgot or couldn't find the notes, guess what you can do? Learn with an example. We click on it. All right, so look what happened here. So we're going through and it has this. It gives us an example. But now remember, we should know how to do it using our notes. So let's go back here and let's click on Analytics. Remember, if you need any help, you can call me at area code 321-428-0009. I'm available to give you help. We also have other folks to use their social media. So we're encouraging you to use your social media to work with friends, to do group chats with friends to get help. Remember, we're encouraging you to use your social media. We're encouraging you to stay 6 feet away. So let's use social media to do our group chats and to learn together. All right, so let's click on Analytics. We can go down here to Skill. What I want to show you is how the problem look. So in each type problem, problems, we have different levels. In order to get 100%, you're going to have to complete level 6 type problems. So if you're solving equations, you have to be able to solve problems that look like this. And this. and this, in which we've already done some. I'm going to be doing examples of how to do it. You're going to be able to look at my YouTube videos. So we're going to do examples of how to do that. Or you can call in. Again, you can call me at any time that you're having problems. The number is area code 321-428-0009. All right, here's something. Look at level 5 type questions. You see these type questions on level 5? In order to get 100, you're going to have to make sure you have this down. Now, this is a review. Now, the next question you had to ask me is, Mr. Reed, well, how do we get to show you that we have everything completed? The next thing we must do is you must show your work. If you look up here, you need make sure you put your title, your name, and the date, and the period. Also, up top here, please show me your score. Also, head out what the title is. And in this open space right here, you're going to show me how you found your answers. When you're done, please place your score up top, take a picture, snap, and send it to me via a text message to 321-428-0009. Yes, you guessed it. So now, many of you guys are tech savvy. So you may have other ways to send it to me. You may send it to me by taking a picture and uploading to Google Classroom. Great. You may take a picture and email it to me. Great. Whichever way is most easiest to you. Now be sure that you show me all of the problems. I want to see how you work each and every problem out. Trust me, I'm grading through the whole thing. I'm looking for what things are you getting wrong and you're having trouble with. So those are the things that I'm going to be doing on YouTube on a whiteboard. Okay, so please make sure you have to show your work. Parents, please make sure your child has their heading. Look how it looks. Please make sure it looks like this. Again, lastly, thank you for enduring this process. We look forward to working with your child. If I can be of any help to you, please let me know. You can email me or you can call me. The number again is 321-428-0009. Or you can email me at reed, R-E-E-D, Derrick, that's a D as in David, E-R-R-I-C-K, at brevardsschools.org. Thank you. Please stay safe. God bless. Bye.